Good morning, students. Let's begin with geometry. Chapter 6, trigonometry. Exercise 6.2, part 1. Now last time, students, if you remember, we had done with 6.1 exercise, and this is the last, that is 6.2 exercise. There are 6 sums. So I'll be taking these 6 sums in 2 parts, that is part 1 and part 2. 3 sums in 6.2 part 1 and the remaining 3 sums in part 2nd. Now the first question is, a person is standing at a distance of 80 meters from a church, looking at its top. The angle of elevation is of 45 degree. Now you find the height of the church. So first what we'll do, we'll draw a diagram. You can see here. See, in the diagram we can say, let AB represent the church and the point C is the position of a person from the church, means a person who is standing from the church at point C, is at point C. So now BC is the distance of a church from the person, means distance of person from church is BC, that is 80 meters. Now you can see, again I will tell the information that there is a person who is standing at 80 meters from a church. So let that point C, you can see triangle ABC, the point C is the place where the person is standing and he is looking at the top of the church. You can see AC is the angle of elevation, that is 45 degree, and AB is the church. Now you have to find the height of the church. So we wrote all the given part. Now we know here ACB, that is angle ACB, is the angle of elevation, that is given 45 degree. So now when you consider right angle triangle in triangle ABC, we know we have studied the ratios sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec, and you have to remember these ratios as well as the values from the trigonometric value table which is given in the textbook. So we know, now see, we will use here the ratio of tan. We will use tan ratio. The reason for it is, you know, sine, cos, tan. I taught you one trick, old Harry and his old aunt. For tan we use old aunt, means O upon A, means opposite upon adjacent side. So here opposite is AB, opposite to 45 degree is AB, which is actually the height of the church, and BC is the distance of person from the church, that is adjacent side. So tan 45 is AB upon BC. Now we know in the trigonometric value table tan 45 is 1. So in place of tan 45 let's substitute 1 is equal to AB. I have to find out, upon 80 remains same. So now when I cross multiply, I get AB is equal to 80 into 1 will be 80 meters. So the height of the church is 80 meters. Now the next question is, you can see, from a top of a lighthouse, an observer looking at a ship makes angle of depression of 60 degree. If the height of the lighthouse is 90 meters, then find how far the ship is from the lighthouse, that is in bracket the value given √3 is 1.73. Now you can see, now I will explain the question, the diagram to you. You can see in the diagram AB is the lighthouse which is of height 90 meter, which is given. Now from the top of the lighthouse, means from point A, there is a person who is looking at the ship. Now he will look down. So the angle will be now angle of depression, it is not elevation. When he is looking down, it will be depression. So the angle of depression, that is 60 degree, and the ship is at point C. You have to find how far the ship is from the lighthouse. That is, AB is the lighthouse and C is the position of the ship. So you have to find distance of BC. So now what we'll do, we'll explain the diagram after drawing. Let AB be the lighthouse and C is the place of the ship from the lighthouse. So AB, which is given 90 degree, and you can see angle DAC is 60 degree. Now this is by construction. What we have done, we have constructed AD, that is AD is horizontal and angle DAC will be the angle of depression. So here, now when you consider diagram, you can see line AD and BC are parallel and AC will be the transversal. So you can clearly see alternate angles are formed. Angle DAC and angle BCA, angle DAC and angle ACB. These are alternate angles, so they are congruent to each other. That means if angle A is 60 degree, angle C is also 60 degree. So now in right angle triangle, when you take right angle triangle ABC, you can see, now we will take tan value again, because the tan ratio is opposite upon hypotenuse. Here opposite is AB and we have to find BC. So BC is adjacent side, opposite upon adjacent side. So tan 60 is AB upon BC. So when you substitute the value from the trigonometric value table, tan 60 is root 3. So in place of tan 60, I will write root 3 is equal to 90 upon BC. So BC will be 90 divided by root 3. So now we will rationalize the denominator, that is BC will be 90 upon root 3 multiplied by root 3 upon root 3. We are rationalizing the denominator. So we have 90 upon root 3. Root 3 we will multiply by numerator as well as denominator. Now you can see 90 into root 3 will be 90 root 3 numerator, and denominator we have root 3. So root 3 into root 3 will be 3. So we get 90 root 3 upon 3. So when you divide 90 by 3, you get 30 root 3. Now it is given that value of root 3 is 1.73. So 30 multiplied by 1.73 will be 51.9. So that means the ship is at a distance of 51.9 meters from the lighthouse. Now we'll move on to question number 3. You can see two buildings are facing each other on a road of width 12 meter. You can see there are two buildings which are on the either side of the roads with a width of 12 meter. From the top of the first building, which is 10 meter high, the angle of elevation of the top of the second building is found to be 60 degree. So what is the height of the second building? Now see, let's explain me again the given part. If you see here, see, let AB and CD be the two buildings. Segment BD, you can see the segment BD that represent the road. You can see AB and CD are the two buildings. BD represent the road, and see, by construction AE is horizontal to BD. So you can see angle CAE is the angle of elevation which is given. From the top of the first building, which is 10 meter high, the angle of elevation to the top of second is found to be 60. Means from point A, when you see the top of the second building, which is the point C, the angle of elevation made is 60 degree. So that is CA is 60 degree. Now we can see a rectangle is formed. ABDE is a rectangle, and we know opposite sides of rectangle are congruent. So that means DE is equal to AB. If AB is 10, DE is also 10. Now BD is 12. So BD is equal to AE, which is again 12, as it is opposite side of rectangle. So now you can see here a right angle triangle is formed. In right angle triangle CEA, so we know again we will be using tan ratio because tan is opposite upon adjacent, that is CE upon AE. So in the trigonometric value table, tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to CE upon AE value is 12. So when you cross multiply, CE will be 12 into root 3. So now you want to find out CD, that is the height of the second building. So we know CD will be equal to CE plus ED. Since the points are collinear, C, ED are collinear. So see, CD will be, CE we got 12 root 3 plus ED was 10. So the height of the second building is 12 root 3 plus 10 meters.